Good morning. What is up, everybody? Your boy, Frank Visionary. It's Sunday, man. About to head out and get some breakfast burritos for the fam. It's like 8:30. We're gonna roll out in the R8 today. I'm gonna roll out in the R8 today, baby. Let's do this. Ooh, looking so gorgeous. Look at you. Fitment on point. Let's go see what we got. Alright. Little cold start. You guys ready? You guys ready? Too much, man. They like looking at them. They don't like those morning startups. The V10s, this, honestly, AMG, and that one, all loud as shit. All loud as shit. Thanks to my boy JNS Motorsports out in Studio City, my boy Matt, man. He keeps our cars on point. Anyway, man, everybody have a great day. Stay hungry, stay grinding, stay blessed. Hope you guys are enjoying the VFE whips, all the content I'm trying to bring, and I promise you guys it's gonna get better. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit that little bell to keep notified for more, and I'm gonna keep them coming, guys. Everybody have a blessed day. Thank you.